Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So this morning I had some peppers in my refrigerator. Actually it's afternoon. I needed to use these peppers up before they went bad. So I decided to make a big pan of stuffed peppers. And I'm using turkey meat today, as well as a jar of roasted garlic spaghetti sauce that I bought from Aldi. And I just drizzle that over the top. I cover with foil and I bake at 350 for about an hour or until the rice is cooked all the way through. I top off with some cheese and there's our plate, and it is absolutely delicious. Hello everybody. I know I have been doing a terrible Vlogmas job and keeping up with all of my videoing and all of that, and I do apologize. We just wrapped up Christmas with my parents that was here. We had a wonderful time, and I mean, how much stuff can you pack into a couple of days? That's exactly what we did. So I did all the cooking, the hosting, we went shopping, we watched Christmas movies, and here I am thinking I have all this content videoed because we did all this stuff, and when I edited it and got it out to you guys, it was like less than 6 minutes with the intro. And I'm like, goodness gracious. It wasn't a very long video, but I do hope you guys enjoyed. I got a lot of positive feedback from you all. There was one comment of somebody who said that it was cheesy and corny, and maybe my family to some other people might be considered cheesy and corny because there are no dramatics here, and we just all enjoy kind of the typical Christmas stuff. There's nothing flashy. This is who we are. But I did think it was funny they said it was cheesy, but anyhow. That's okay, because I'm happy, and that's all that matters, right? So my husband is over at his dad's right now. I am trying to regroup and get myself together. We just got done eating dinner. We had stuffed peppers and macaroni and cheese. It was delicious. It hit the spot. It is brutally cold outside. We don't have any snow, but it is brutally cold tonight. Yes, I told you that I'd be wearing this sweatshirt a lot. And yes, I'm wearing Yoda again because it's comfortable. And I love comfort. And that's why I love a good sweatshirt that's comfortable. I am going to be hosting a Christmas party this Saturday. And in saying that, I'm kind of going a little bit crazy in my head because I'm trying to sit here and work up a grocery list for our party. You know, what is needed. I'm hoping that Walmart has everything that is needed, because I can't tell you how many times here recently I've gone to Walmart and I haven't been able to find everything. It started with my coffee, then evaporated milk could not be found, and peanut butter. So I thought that's really random kind of things, but they didn't have any. It's crazy how they run out of stuff now. You used to never ever have that problem, but now we do. I colored my hair today because I got so sick of looking at the gray. So it might seem a little darker, and at first when I first do my hair, it is a little darker. But that's okay, because it isn't going to stay that way. But I needed to color it. I was starting to scare myself looking in the mirror. So I have gone back and forth what I want to do for my Christmas party. And last year, I did a lot of work. I made pepperoni rolls and veggie trays and cheese balls and cookies and candies and pies and meatballs and everything in the world. Now understand that there is about, if I had to guess, between 11 and 14 people that will be attending this party. So obviously you have to have food. So I was talking to Ronnie and I was like, what can we do that can be, and I'll just say it, inexpensive, but filling for everyone. And I guess it was a couple years ago, his aunts was coming in, and understand that Ronnie's mom, I think there's 10 of them all together in their family. They got a really big family. And I made a giant crock pot of vegetable soup and a giant crock pot of my absolutely loved by everybody, my potato and sausage soup, and it has spinach in it. It's zuppa toscata. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. But anyways, it is delicious. I have not met anybody who does not absolutely love that soup. And so I think I'm going to do a soup bar. I think I'm going to have all kinds of different kinds of crackers, cheese, things that you can put on everything, except for instead of doing the vegetable soup, I'm going to do just a typical chili. So I'm going to do a big pot of chili, a big pot of potato soup, and have all the trimmings with that. And I do have to put on the list that I need to get some heavy-duty bowls for everybody, because, you know, you don't want junky bowls, and some good spoons. Well, some good silverware, which that's not going to be a problem. And then we'll have like some pasta salad, some cheese balls, and then all the, you know, the festive Christmas trays, like the different kinds of cookies and candies and stuff like that. I will put those all together. I've already got some things already pre-made, so that is good. And I may buy some things to put out. I don't know. We will see what I see at the store tomorrow. But I just wanted to come in and tell you I am so sorry for lapsing in Vlogmas videos. But I wore myself completely out getting ready for my parents to come. And then I wore myself completely out having so much fun. And then we had an incident yesterday where our downstairs toilet broke and we had to have that fixed. And so nothing got vlogged yesterday. It all turned out to be fine. It had to be snaked and all of that kind of thing. It all worked out. It was not fun. There was no overflowing or anything like that, but it's just so frustrating because it seems like if anything in this house goes bad, we have situations with the toilets in this house. Now, our very good friend, our lovely, wonderful friend, Danny, fixed our upstairs toilet. First of all, do I know how a toilet works? Yes, I do. Could I possibly fix it? I probably could if I could see to fix it. But I cannot see way down in the thing to fix it. I know the components and how it all works, but I can't see good enough to fix it. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, I am legally blind, partially deaf, and my husband is completely blind. So we obviously rely on our wonderful friends who, I'm going to tell you, if there's anything that I am absolutely grateful for this year for Christmas, it is our good friends. Not only Danny, but Emma and Robert and just my parents. People really just step forward to help us out. And I don't mean that financially, but I just mean like the silliest things that maybe you would never think of. Like, hey, Emma, is it possible that you can stop by CVS and pick up Ronnie's prescription? Okay. And she does it every month. Twice a month, she picks up our prescriptions. And that saves me a 2-hour trip on a bus to go get it. And you're probably like, why 2 hours? Well, because it would take me, I would get on the bus and I would get there, and then I would have to at least schedule an hour to be there. And then I would end up waiting 15, 20, 30 minutes for them to actually show up and pick me up. So yes, she saves me a huge, huge pain in the rear trip to the pharmacy, which I so appreciate. Daniel always takes us to the grocery store, especially Sam's, like to buy bulky items and things like that. And I really appreciate him. My dad has done a lot of work around here and helping me get my house painted this year, just to get things done on the outside and get things cleared away. He helped me, and I wouldn't have known what to do at the store, but he helped me with a lawnmower and kind of showed me the ropes on keeping my lawn, upkept. So yeah, there's just been a lot of stuff. He pressure washed the outside of our house this year. I mean, there's just been a lot of things to be grateful for. And people are like, what do you want for Christmas this year? And I got to tell you, I don't want anything. Like, everything that I think that I thought of last Christmas, like, at the beginning of the year, you think, well, this year I need to do this and this and that, was successful. Actually, what I put in my head to accomplish was way less than we actually did accomplish. I thought maybe we could get the house cleared between between the two houses this year, and that would be it. And I was like, oh, I'd be so happy to have that done. But we didn't just stop there. Everything got done. Everything. Even the old shed got tore down and demolished and tore out of here. And I just was so thankful to have all of that done, because there's no way that Ron and I could have done that by ourselves. And it's just, honestly, 125%. I don't even want anything for Christmas, because all that I could have hoped for this year got accomplished. I think it's kind of the same way with my husband, because the things that I bought him, I don't even know how to explain that, are just sort of typical everyday things you could use, but they were things that he kind of mentioned over the last few weeks. And I kind of feel silly, because it's not really any special gift, but to him, he's going to love it. But at the same time, there just really wasn't anything that him and I really wanted, because this year was such a success. And just, oh my gosh, decorating my living room was so awesome this year, because we got it painted and it looks so pretty and clean. Our staircase is all painted and so nice looking, and it just thrills me to death. So as far as really wanting anything for Christmas, I really don't. Of course, I want to be healthy. I want to be with my husband and my friends, and we do have traditions that we like to keep, and we've been doing that for the month of December. So, and I feel like it's going by so quickly, and I'm not going to keep you guys much longer rambling, but in saying the, so when I told you guys, when I started doing Vlogmas, everything was just going to like fall right at the same time. So we had the Heritage Farm Christmas Village. We had the Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind Christmas dinner. And then my parents showed up, and they just left. And now I've got my annual Christmas party that I host here at my home, which I love doing. I just have to like get it in here, like what I need to get at the store. What's my game plan? What are we going to serve? You know what I mean? How's this going to be laid out? And then I'm fine. It's all good after that. But then, we are supposed to go to Gallipolis to see Christmas lights and go out to dinner. That's coming up. And then we have a Christmas church service over here at our church where we go to. That's coming up. So see, it's like bam, bam, bam. It's like, it's unreal how the month of December has just absolutely flown by. If you're wondering why I'm wearing my glasses, it's because I don't have any makeup on, and I look scary today, and I don't want to scare anybody in this vlog. So, anyhow, you will be seeing me tomorrow, though. I am going to be sharing a grocery haul tomorrow with you all. My list, my game plan for my Christmas party, all of that. I'm going to share that with you guys. I, again, apologize for the lapse in videoing. It's just, I'm human and life happens and busy schedules happen. I don't know if you guys, do you guys feel me? And last year just seemed like vlogging for Vlogmas just came so easy. And this year I'm having a hard time, I don't know, getting it together. Maybe I'm getting older. It could be that. But thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to be doing some nighttime cleaning once my husband gets home. He usually goes upstairs to read, and then I will be down here, downstairs, and I'm going to be cleaning and straightening up and polishing off my grocery list for tomorrow, and then it'll be bedtime. And then I will edit this video and have this out for you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow, I'll be filming my grocery haul. And I do hope you enjoy. And yes, I hope you guys are having a fabulous December. Let me know what fun, wonderful things you have been doing. You've been doing a lot of baking and cooking or being with family. If you work, do you have office parties? Let me know. Also, too, suggestions. Good party games. Anybody have any good party games? Let me know down below. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much. So now I'm starting off by washing the dishes. And once I get them washed, I am drying them. I loaded the coffee pot for in the morning. And I have been using this new all-purpose cleaner that a lot of people suggested from the Dollar Tree. I will say it has been working out and it smells wonderful. These are pans that was in my refrigerator that was housing leftovers. So now I'm going to take my all-purpose cleaner and wipe out all of my fridge since I'm going to be going shopping tomorrow and get that accomplished. Then I'm going to sit by my Christmas tree and finish my grocery list. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.